Top 5 Best Action Camera for Live Streaming. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix G7. You might think that a mirrorless camera is the most complicated choice for streaming or video calls, because you'll need external devices and software to do it. However, this isn't the case for the Lumix G7, as Panasonic has been trying to enter the webcam market for some time now. When you download the Lumix webcam software, you can use the GUI with all the most popular live streaming platforms. The 4K resolution ensures great quality video from which you can extract still images right on the camera. There's also every external output option you'd ever need, with multiple ways to record or display video and audio to an external device. Obviously, very few people buy a Lumix G7 with the sole purpose of live streaming video. However, if you're considering upgrading your dedicated camera in the near future, why not get one like this, which offers the ability to do more than just photo and video? Pros: professional photo and video. Interchangeable lenses. Remote control with your phone. Expensive. Cons: big and bulky. Slow autofocus. Coming in number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro is still one of the best action cameras for live streaming. It's dedicated to professionals who mainly want to record and stream outdoor activities, although it can also double as a webcam. It has 5K resolution and a frontal screen to use for your favorite selfie pose. However, the frontal screen is a bit laggy used in 5K. It doesn't affect the live streaming or the recording, though, and it's definitely a nice feature to have to check your framing. You can pull a 14.7 megapixel still picture out of the 5K video, or you can take 23.6 megapixel photos in RAW or JPEG. It also has the possibility to swap out lenses, and has great low light performance for a small sensor camcorder. To use the GoPro 9 as a webcam, you can also stream directly on Twitch. This wasn't possible previously with the Hero 8, reviewed here. You can also live stream to Facebook and YouTube and GoPro's own platform. Buying this or the latest GoPro Hero 10 Black just for live streaming may seem like overkill, but if you intend to shoot video outdoors or in extreme environments, it's the best streaming camera you'll find. Check out our guide to the best GoPro alternative cameras and compare all GoPros here for more options in this category that support streaming. Pros: 5K resolution. Waterproof. Front screen. Incredible image stabilization. Cons: expensive. Front screen lags in 5K. Coming in number 3. Nevo Start. You can use the Mevo Start with a smartphone to stream at 1080 pixels to all the major streaming platforms and record a backup to the SD card. It has an 84-degree field of view with digital zoom and 3 internal mics with an extra audio input for an external microphone. It's definitely one of the best all-in-one streaming camera options if you have the budget. With the Mevo app dedicated to iOS and Android, you can control the camera via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. In it, you can move the zoom and see a preview that shows you the audio input. It also has face detection that gives you the opportunity to switch from one person to another for a more dynamic stream. You can leave it in auto, and it will switch to the person who's talking. If you have high live streaming goals or just want something that delivers a unique viewing experience for your streaming audience, this is the best camera we've seen. Pros: self-contained. 4 to 6 hour battery life. Stream and record simultaneously. Remote control from your smartphone. Cons: expensive. Digital zoom can create some artifacts. Coming in number 2. Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro. Because of its 4K resolution, Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro is the best camera for live streaming professionally. If this is your profile, you'll probably want to get control over the settings. For this, you have to install the Logitech software. For non-professionals who just want to plug it in and use it, this is also possible. With the autofocus and HDR capabilities, you'll be sure to capture excellent quality video under any conditions. Low light performance is up there with the best camera options. The Brio has dual omnidirectional microphones that ensure that the audio has as much quality as the video. You can adjust the field of view up to 90 degrees and set different resolutions. Whether or not the average live streaming session requires 4K video is questionable, so it may be overkill for non-professional uses. However, with image quality this good, it's hard to argue. Pros 4K video. Autofocus. Built-in privacy lens cover. Windows Hello support. Cons overkill for most streaming needs. No optical zoom. Coming in number 1. Razer Keeo. The Razer Keeo Pro streams high-fidelity video Full HD uncompressed 1080 pixel at 60 frames per second, ensuring high picture quality even in bad lighting thanks to its ultra-sensitive CMOS sensor with Starbus technology. It's easy to use as it's a plug-and-play device, but if you like to have more control over the image, you'll need to use the Razer software, which is not available for Mac. You can download third-party solutions for it, though. The L-shaped mount sits very stably on top of your computer and doubles as a tripod if you prefer to have it on your desk. You can still attach it to a tripod if you prefer to have more versatility. This can be with or without the L-mount because they both have the standard tripod mounting hole. It comes in at a close second place as one of the best live streaming camera options of the year. Pros high-performance sensor. Plug and play. Wide-angle lens with adjustable FOV. HDR. Cons lens cover not included. Custom controls are only possible via Windows software.